for taking picture for us. Right, mga sir? 1 hour. And then after 1 hour, proceed to our second stop in our second island, Naked Island. So from Leguyan to Naked Island, so we'll just travel like 20 to 25 minutes. And you will be there also 1 hour to Naked Island. And that's why I call Naked Island because there's no palm trees or shading area. Yeah, just a full sandbar in the middle of the sea. But later on, if you do like sunbathing, but don't forget your sunscreen, okay? Sunbathing with sunscreen, and then picture, and you can do swimming in the crystal of water. And just I told you, let me know always, and just be ready for taking picture for us, okay? So after 1 hour, Mama Sir, proceed to our third stop in our third island, Daku Island. So from the Naked to Daku Island, so we just travel like 15 to 20 minutes. So that's why I call Daku Island because that's a big island. English. Tagalog naman is malaki po. And you will be there until 1:30 at Daku Island. And if you have an answer with a budul pipe, with a pretty in Siargao, mostly budul pipe is traditional Filipino, just using your hands. But now they know each other, so we just provide this spoon of pork. Okay, and raise your hand if there's a Muslim, vegetarian, all allergic on the seafoods here.
Seafood.
Allergic, ma'am? Muslim,
Seafood.
vegetarian. Muslim, sir, you didn't like eat pork, right? Okay, just only pork. Alright, so yeah, that's our lunch time is around 11:30 or 12. So after your lunch, if you still have time in Daku Island, you can go around there, or you can do swimming or sunbathing, just napping, or relaxing, chilling. So don't forget 1:30, you will be there 1:30 at Daku Island. So after Daku Island, proceed to our last stop in our side trip, Secret Sandbar. Mostly Secret Sandbar, you can see the sandbar in the middle of the sea, at the end of the month of April or May. But for now, the level of our water in the Secret Sandbar later on, that's only mid-tide, just only 4 to 5 feet only. So you can still swim in there. You have 20 to 30 minutes stay there in the Secret Sandbar, and after that, back to the port and back to your home. And about your transport back to your hotel, that's included to your package. So do not pay for tricycle or tuk-tuk because that's only paid for our company. So that's it, and God bless you everyone, and salamat po. Our first
Start
stop
engine.
is Guyam Island, ha? Alright.
Goyam Island, first stop.
Guyam is in English that's ang tamang Tagalog, Lamigas ng Bisaya.
Lamigas. Di ba nga lamigas mo din?
Amigas.
Sa